Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide your album on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to view your photo collections. Next, select Albums at the top to see all your albums. Choose the specific album you want by clicking on its title. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the album page. Tap on Edit to customize the album settings. Then, tap on Friends to adjust the audience who can view the album. Select Only Me to make the album visible only to yourself and keep it private from others. By following these steps, you can easily hide your album on Facebook and maintain your privacy preferences. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to hide your album on Facebook. Customize your album privacy settings to ensure your content remains private and accessible only to you. Explore these steps to manage your albums effectively and enjoy a more personalized and secure experience on Facebook.